This is going to be the spinal cord. So right here, you're going to have the posterior rootlets, and then where the roots become one, it will be called the posterior root. And this bulge is going to be the dorsal root ganglia. And then you're going to have this bump right here. That's going to be your posterior ramus. And then at the edge over here, that's going to be your anterior ramus. And then here, with these two bumps, that's going to be your ramus communicantes. And then here, it's going to be your trunk of spinal nerve. Here, it's going to be your anterior root. And here, it's going to be your anterior rootlets. And then for horns, there's going to be one there, and one there. And so this is going to be your posterior horn, your lateral horn, and your anterior horn. Okay. So now we're going to go to the central canal, which is just this hole, or this right here. And then where the gray meets each other right here, that's going to be your gray commissure, gray commissure. And where the white meets right here, that's going to be your white commissure. And then this whole tannish area is going to be known as your gray matter. It's made out of gray matter. And the white part is going to be your white matter. And then here is going to be your anterior median fissure. Fissure is going to be deeper than the sulcus. And here, those are going to be your anterolateral sulcus. Now it's going to be the posterior side. So right here, that's going to be your posterior median septum. And right here, it's going to be your posterior median sulcus. And here, those are your posterior intermediate sulcus. And here, those are going to be your postolateral sulcus. And then these on the sides, these little bulge, and then there's one over here too. Those are going to be your denticulate ligament. And then for the meninges, you have 3. It's going to be from that, and that. But I like to go downwards. So this is going to be your spinal pia mater, spinal arachnoid mater, spinal dura mater. PAD, P-A-D. So spinal pia mater, spinal arachnoid mater, spinal dura mater. And then the space right here, it goes all the way around. So the space, that's going to be your subarachnoid space. And then these little cracks on top, those are going to be known as your funiculus. And you have to name them corresponding where they're at. So the posterior funiculus, these are going to be your lateral funiculus. And these are going to be your anterior funiculus. I think that's it.